Here's a quick tutorial on how to edit and add products using your Shopify mobile app. First, you want to click on the tag icon at the bottom of the screen. You will be redirected to the product screen. Next, click All Products, and this is where you will see a full list of products that you have in store. You can click to edit them and even filter active, draft, and archived products. Next, you want to click on Collections, which follows the same process as the All Products tab. You will be able to filter by type and sales channel, manual and automated collections. There will be a future video on how to manage collections in Shopify. If you want to add a product or a collection quickly, then click on the plus icon in the top right corner, then select Add Product or Create Collection. Finally, you can add all the details in your product or collection and hit the Save icon or button in the top right corner. By watching this video, you have received a 15% discount on a Shopify website, or if you would like to try and make a website, view my Shopify website series.